Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a new Gmail account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you already have a Gmail account here and you want to create a new one, well, there is a way for you to create a new one without having to log out. So how do you do this? Well, first things first is you want to go to google.com in here, and you should see your profile icon at the top right. So let's go and just select that one. And what you need to select is going to be the add account option. Let's go and click on add account. Now from here, it's going to ask you to sign in. But since we want to create a new account, let's go and click on create account that you see at the bottom right here. And let's go and just choose the for my personal use. Now first is you need to provide your name. So let's go and just say there's going to be my name. You can also add your last name here if you want. Let's go and click on next. And from here, you need to select your basic information. So let's go say there's going to be my birthday, and let's go and just choose our gender. Let's go and click on next. Now, next is going to ask you to provide a username. So obviously, the username that you'll be using in here should be unique and should be a different one versus the one you already have. So let's just say it is going to be let's go and see if this is going to work and see if it's available. Let's go and click on next. And from here, you want to go ahead and provide the password that you want to use. So in this case, let's go and just type in a password that you want to use. And you could also use the show password here, just in case if you're confused whatever you typed in here. Let's go and just provide the details. Click on next once we're done. Now, on the next page here, they will require you to scan a QR code with your phone, with the camera app here or the QR code app, so that they could verify that you are a real person. So this is another thing that you need to do. So you want to go ahead and just get your phone out, and you want to go ahead and get the scanner app. So whichever is going to be your preference. So let's go open up the scanner app, and let's go and just really scan this QR code that we have right now real quickly. And let's go ahead and basically follow the on-screen steps. So that's the instruction here. Now I've just switched over to my phone here. It's going to say verify phone number. Go and just click on verify. And you want to go ahead and basically do the verification process. So it might take a while in here. Let's go and just wait for it. Now, once verification is complete, it's going to say return to your other device. So let's go and just go back into our PC. Now, from here on, it's going to start, or it will start allowing you to start adding recovery email addresses if you want. Now, you could go and just click on or enter the email address here and click on next. But for now, you could go and just click on skip. But I would highly recommend you to add a recovery email. But yeah, so in this case, just review your account info, click on next, and once you've done that, it's going to say or it's going to give you some information here. You just need to click on I agree, and that should basically create your Google account or your new Google account. Now, the thing with this one is obviously you may need to set up everything again, like adding details, setting up, verifying a few things. You can also click on top right here, and basically you need to add a recovery phone in order for you to make sure or to secure your account. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.